Hello guys, I just wanted to do a quick video showing you or notifying you about this coupon, $80 coupon that Printful is running. It's about making a video about working with Printful, and if your video is accepted, you're gonna receive an $80 coupon. So it's very easy to make a video. I do it almost every other day, so it's not difficult to make a video and earn $80. I think that's one thing that you should consider. So it's very easy. Here are the instructions. All you need to do is um, take videos and earn $80 coupon, and the video should be in 9:16 aspect ratio. And you're going to answer questions about tips, tricks with others about running your online store, and you're going to upload those videos to a Google Drive or iCloud based. You're going to share the link to your folder right here. So here's the link to submit your video. You put your link here, you put your birthday, your full name, your email, you click submit it, and you could potentially earn $80. How easy is that? So I thought to share this with you guys. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. See you on the next one, guys.